Bella di Zamboanga ang nag-uwi ng karangalan ngayon sa Zamboanga Peninsula for crowning Miss NFA 2022 na ginawa sa National Food Authority Central Office as part of its 50th anniversary celebration. Kaya this morning, atin siyang kilalanin. Buenos dias, mayong buntag Miss Thea Alavar. Welcome sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. ¿Qué tal tú?
Buenos dias mga kapuso. Very much okay. Very much happy to be able to bring home the crowd.
Nako Thea, congratulations by the way. How does it feel na nakuha mo ang title as Miss NFA 2022?
Very much honored and proud for Cyril kasi first and foremost, gusto ko lang i-explain ano yung Miss NFA. It's Miss National Food Authority. Our agency just celebrated its 50th anniversary last September 26. So one of the main yung highlight ng aming mga events ay yung Miss NFA. And yung participants or yung mga candidates were all from different regions. So nationwide pageant po siya. And I was lucky enough to win the competition or the pageant. So yung very honored, very happy, and very proud not just of myself. At syempre yung NFA Region 9 family kasi syempre team effort po yun. I wouldn't win without their effort and support. As now the reigning Miss NFA, part of my duty is to be the ambassadress of NFA, not just of NFA Region 9 but nationwide. So given this opportunity to speak with a lot of people, parang ini-encourage ko yung mga local farmers, kung may mga nanonood or may kakilala kayo, the National Food Authority is buying palay price at 19 pesos per kilograms. So, meron po kaming mga buying stations all over Mindanao. Pwede nyo pong puntahan at pwede nyo pong ipa-assess, ipa-quality check yung palay nyo at pwede nyo ibenta sa amin.
Miss Thea, your wit, beauty, and confidence ang nagpanalo sa iyo sa pageant. At bukod dyan, may isang bagay pa ba na gusto mong i-share sa ating mga kapuso na sa tingin mo nakatulong sa iyo to win the crowd?
To find motivation para you'll do better. Kasi I would have to be honest, the very first time I heard that I would represent NFA Region 9, very hesitant. Ayoko talagang mag-join. But then, I was motivated by the people around me. Nakita ko kasi yung confidence and trust nila in me. They were very supportive, yung effort nila and everything else. So, that kept me motivated. Pag nasa stage kasi ako, parang I wasn't Thea Alavar, I was NFA Region 9. Sila talaga yung nag-motivate niya sa akin to do better. Yun po.
Thea, kwento mo naman sa amin kung paano mo ba pinaghandaan ang pageant na ito.
You must be mentally, emotionally, and physically prepared. Kasi I've said, siya, nationwide pageant. Marami kang makakasalamuha, marami kang makikilala, and it could really affect you. So, mentally prepared. Dapat, ready ka kung anong mangyayari sa'yo. Pwede kasing, maraming pwedeng mangyari sa stage. Pwede kang matapilok, pwede kang magkamali and everything else. And dapat ready ka for that. And another thing is emotionally prepared. As I've said, hindi ako sang-ayon na ako mag-represent sa NFA at first, but I surrounded myself with people who are emotionally healthy for me. So they were able to help me. Parang na-program nila sa mind ko that, okay, you can do this and all this stuff. And physically prepared. So, 2 weeks lang ako meron to prepare for the pageant. So, I'm not in my best shape during the pageant. But upon knowing that I will represent NFA Region 9, I tried my best naman to eat healthy, to exercise, and all those things. Yan po.
And this time around, Thea, let's get to know you better. Dito yan sa ating Q&A portion. Bukod sa iyong family, who has the biggest influence on you?
Marami kasing talagang tao na nakapag-influence sa akin in this pageant. Kaya I cannot mention everyone. But gusto kong sabihin yung what influenced me. Kasi yun yung mas malaking factor for me to win the pageant. Kasi before joining the pageant, I was reassigned in Pagadian City, a 7-hour travel from Zamboanga City, and new work environment. I wasn't able to get the job that I worked hard for, all those things, heartaches, stress, overthinking, all those things. So parang I was telling myself, kung nasa difficult situation ako right now, I will make sure that the next month or the next 2 weeks, I will be in better situation. So that really parang influence my yung pagpaplano ko on how to win.
Nako Thea, what makes you blush and why?
Genuine compliments, whether physical, sa character ko, sa work ko, but as long as I know it's a genuine compliment, it will make me blush, it will make me smile.
Alright, moving on sa ating chikan this morning. Sino nga ba si Miss Thea at home and at work?
Not much of a difference naman in both situations, but at home, I would say I'm 26 pero dependent pa rin sa parents. May pagka-baby pa rin sa parents. But at work, I am very much independent and I can say I am reliable. Actually, this is one of the questions during our casual interview kung paano ako sa work. And I answered, I'm reliable. Kasi I had served 3 assistant regional managers, 3 regional managers, and all other section chiefs. And in all those years, they made me feel that I am trustworthy and very much reliable. Kung ano yung work na binibigay sa akin, I make sure to perform. I make sure that I will deliver what is asked of me. Yes.
And lastly, Thea, what would be your greatest piece of advice sa mga na-inspire din to join any pageants?
First, alamin mo muna kung ano yung pageant because not all pageants are the same. And may mga may mga pageant dapat meron kang cause, meron kang gustong gawin. And in my case kasi, I've joined a pageant that is an office pageant. So dapat first knowledgeable ako kung ano yung office namin, what our office is capable of, ano yung mako-contribute ko if ever I will be the Miss NFA.
Alright, maraming salamat Miss NFA 2022, Thea Alavar, sa iyong oras na ibinigay dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. More power sa iyo.
Thank you very much, At Home with GMA Regional TV, for this opportunity. And I hope we can use this platform for our NFA programs in the future. Maraming salamat po.
Mga kapuso, chillax lang mo kay mo balik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.